Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen, we're making a quick and delicious cookie in a mug. So let's get started. First off, grab an 8-ounce mug. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter right inside. It's like 13 grams. Melt this for 20 to 30 seconds. It should be almost all melted, not like boiling hot. Into the microwave you go. To my partially melted butter, I'm adding 4 teaspoons of light brown sugar. In case you're wondering, that's 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon. In you go. This is like the most amazing emergency dessert ever. You want a little hit of sweet. Maybe you're just by yourself. Maybe you don't want to share. So what are you gonna do? A cookie in a mug. And by the way, this recipe is by popular demand. A lot of you were asking for this after my brownie and cake in a mug videos. So I'm here for you. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. A little pinch of salt for contrast. In you go. And because we're just making 1 cookie, a literal drop of vanilla. So there we go. It's so hard for me, I just want to pour it in. Grab a fork and stir this together to make a delicious paste. I need 1 egg yolk for this. So you can save the white and add it to your breakfast in the morning, if you feel like it. The yolk is gonna give us a little bit more richness and help bind things together. So in you go. Stir that in too. Now I want 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Just sprinkle that in. The nice thing about this cookie is it's pretty easy to memorize the recipe, or you can go to preppykitchen.com, and it's just so fast. It just bakes in the microwave. You're only making 1 dish dirty, because you know you don't want to do dishes after your midnight cookie. It's really delicious. Stirring the flour in just until combined. And it's okay if I see a couple extra streaks of flour, because I have to add in the chocolate chips. 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. If you want to add in sprinkles or chopped nuts or toffee or any of your favorite add-ins, just add them in with the chocolate chips, stir, and it'll be a delicious treat. Now finish mixing this up. Just no flour, no streaks. Sprinkle a couple of chocolate chips on top, just for good measure. And now we're gonna microwave this for 45 seconds to a minute on high until it's puffed and the center looks dry. If it's not dry after 45 seconds, just give it an extra 10 seconds, so 10-second increments. In you go. 50 seconds later, it's puffed, the center is dry, and it smells so good. You could scoop ice cream on top of this or enjoy it as is, and if you want, just keep making these on repeat. I'm not gonna tell anybody. I will say this is very hot, so you might wanna let it cool down for a minute or 2, unless you're brave. That's really good. It's like a cakey cookie. Who could say no? With melted chocolate throughout, brown sugar, vanilla notes. That hits the spot. I hope you get a chance to make this recipe, and if you like this video, check out my quick and easy playlist.